Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tastie Dine. If you're new here, I am a Kenyan food content creator, a patissier chef in the making, self-taught, and so many other things in between, guys. But let's get serious. Today's video is going to be all about how to make chapatis from scratch. So stay tuned because we are going over the ingredients right now. So what you'll need is 500 ml of plain flour. I have extra flour here. I have hot water, a teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and cold water, and some oil. So what you're gonna need now is to dilute or make a syrup. I call it a syrup. So make a syrup of both the salt and the sugar in the hot water, and that's what we're gonna do right now. this video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did, because right now I'm about to dig in and eat it with ndengu, green grams. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for watching and tuning in, and please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification for new videos every Mondays. At least I know Mondays you guys will have a video, but Fridays I'm still debating on that. But yeah, subscribe and help a sister out. So yeah.